Alright, so I will show like how we can use multiple GitHub accounts in a single PC, and we will be using SSH config for that. So first I will just go to settings, SSH and GPG keys. Actually, I just added this SSH key a few minutes ago. So what we need to do is basically just type in the terminal. So what we just need to do is just open our terminal and cd to our SSH folder. So cd slash dot SSH, and then yeah, open it in a code editor. Like I have open it. So basically in cursor. So for that I just did cursor dot, and yes, it was open. So the next step is basically uh, creating an SSH key. I have the README file on how to actually do all these things, so I'll just follow these instructions. So this is just to test if it is connected. Okay, this is right now. This is my default, like this is my default SSH client in this PC. But I have configured two more. Okay, so to create a new SSH key, we just have to run this command and just type in your GitHub account email. So for in my case, it will be fusionsyncai@gmail.com. I have already done this, so I won't be doing it now. So what this will do is it will, I think, ask you to create a first add a key name. So you can just add ID underscore and whatever your account name is. So for in my case, I just said fusion. So it is ID underscore fusion. So these two files will be created. This is the private key and this is the public key. Public key is safe to be actually visible. So then I will copy this new SSH key, paste it here, and just name it something like my Mac or something. I have done this, so I'm not going to save it. Then the SSH will be configured for this account. But we need to set up some things in our PC so it can be used. First, we need to set up the config. If I just scroll down, first we can actually add the key to macOS keychain. So just copy this. This will just activate the agent, and then we can use this command. Now there is just one thing we need to change. This just backspace and delete this and rename it to whatever you have called it. Maybe address ID underscore my key, or basically whatever you name that thing. After this is done, we can use this command. There is no agent identity in my case. I haven't like added anything after activating the agent. But once done, we need to edit our config file. Uh, I don't need to do any nano. Basically, it is already like open in a IDE, so I can just use this. So basically, copy this block and paste it here. Rename it to whatever you call like my key. Sorry, my key, and here also whatever you named it, my key. Okay, and then after this is done, like just save the file and go back to the readme. Let's say I want to clone a repository. Go to repositories like this appointment OS, click on code, click on SSH, and copy this. There is just one thing we need to change. If I just go back to config, so the host is GitHub dash Fusion. I can rename it anything I want, like Fusion FS or anything. And this is our public key name. This is our keychain that we have created with that SSH keychain command. So for this host, this key will be used. Identity file will be used. Okay. Now if I just go to this appointment OS and do a git clone and then paste it. There is just one thing we need to change. Remove this .com and just add dash whatever you added as a name. Like, let's say, okay, let me actually show you. So basically, this need to match with whatever you added here. Like in my case, it's GitHub dash Fusion. So I'll just say GitHub dash Fusion and hit enter. It already exists, or actually maybe I can show you. It works. I'll just remove it and rerun this command, and this worked. So basically that's how you set up multiple accounts in your PC, like multiple GitHub account with different SSH config. I'll share this readme file and this config, like the base config, in the video description. And if you have any question, yeah, just drop them into comment and I will answer those.